This is Kamya from DMCJ Academy. Technology and coding have been developed and used increasingly for the past few years. I have always wanted to make my own blog, and for that, coding is a necessary element. I love coding as it is very interesting and also provides us with knowledge used in our day-to-day life. I want to become a doctor in the field of robotics when I grow up, and coding is essential if I want to pursue that career. Over the years, I have been attending coding classes from DMCJ Academy. DMCJ Academy has been a complete lending hand throughout my journey in coding. My teacher teaches coding in a fun and condensed form. Each kid is valued deeply in this academy with additional care. Revisions are done every class to provide a better understanding to young coders. Thank you.